Good day, everyone. So this is your teacher, Dino Rosario Kuyag. So for this time, you will have your next activity for the Microsoft Excel for the grade 8 students. Justice, piety, perseverance, and fidelity. So the technique that we are able um, to be competent is the lookup. So this could be the a technique that we will use for the activity that you will going to save your flash drive and pass for me afterwards. So let's start. So of course we will open the Microsoft Excel program, then make a workbook, then of course you will see a new worksheet there. Okay, so first we will have um, the database first. So we're going to rename this sheet as data. Okay, data. So we will have this like the area code, and the other column will be like the city. Okay, so this could be the example for this activity, but you can modify this one. So instead of area code, you can use like the menu number, or then on the left side of this column is like what are the foods that is um, equivalent to this number. Okay, so let's try for this area code and the city. Okay, so we will align this one to the center. Okay, so let's say for example like 1, then we will 2, then we will going to drag this down. For example, we have 10 cities. Okay, very good. Then align center. Then to the city, like to see for example like 1 is for Cebu City, 2 is for Naga City, 3 is for Talisay City, then 4 Bugu City, then 5, what city do we have? Toledo City. Next, we have our neighboring city in this region, so Tagbilaran City, for example. And then, uh, okay, sorry for the interruption. Tagbilaran City. So, what else? Let's say, for example, San Carlos City. San Carlos City. Then we also have, for example, Manila. Okay, Manila. What else? For example, Quezon, Quezon City, and Makati City. Okay, so there you have it. This is for example. So for this activity, you will make at least 10 variables that you have to choose from. So for me, we have this the area code and the city. So this could be your references for your lookup activity. So next is you have to go back to the sheet 1 where you have to do your activity. So let's see here, for example, the area code. Then the other column will be the cities. So every time the problem here is that you should put or the it so every time you put a number here in the area code, it should be displayed in the city here on the right side. So every time you put number here, for example, so it should be automatically give a city on the right side. Okay, so you have there, for example, okay, this one. So we're going to format this one so to make it more attractive for this activity. So then the city, let's say for example, this one, the like this one. Okay, okay, so the area code, then the city. So the formula is here, equals, then lookup. Okay, so this could be the basic formula that you have to understand for the lookup. Then open parenthesis, Now if you observe, it will give you another options here. So look up, then the look up value. So look up value, which means what is your reference. So you will just click the area code sa A2, then comma, then look up vector, which means what could be your references. So you will go to the data sheet, then drag all along with the A2 to A11. Then afterwards you will put comma, then the result vector. So what if you put 1? So what could be the result? So that could be what we mean by result underscore vector here in the lookup formula. Then you will just simply drag it down. Then don't forget, to write or to put $sign for every column and rows. So $sign to make it constant or fixed value for your formula. Next, there you have it. Then okay, then close, then close parenthesis, then press enter. Okay, so here for example, if you put 1, so automatically it will give a city. Okay, the city. Okay, then simply drag it down. So the way I'm going to check is that if you ever pass your flash drive, I'm going to check the formula, and of course I'm going to check if it really works. Okay, so this is how it looks like when you done with your project. Okay, so some more questions you can ask through me on Facebook. So go to my account, Dino Rosario Cuyag, and that's all for this afternoon. Thank you.